other things that I just wanted to share whilst we are taking this walk is that don't try to be a superhero without power. You know, yes, you have a dream, you have a plan, you have something that you want to do, you want to help people, but don't try to help people when you are also in need of help. Don't try to help people that you can't help. So use what is within your means, just as I'm doing. I know that it will not cost you much to just click on my TikTok platform and listen to what I have to say. Because whatsoever that is not protected, it will always be abused, bazalwane. Noma yini engaprotectwanga iyohlala njalo ihlukunyezwe. That is why kufuneka ominister babe ne-security. That is why kufuneka uJesu abe nabafundi abanama-circles nabo. Khona the first layer of security, the second layer of security, the third layer of security. That is why eliwethi bavumeleni beze kumina. Mvumeleni wonke umuntu had to go through circles of security, layers of security. Because uJesu knew that he has to be protected. So lento yokuhamba imvuselelo namathimu ungena kuwo wonke amabandla utholakala kalula WhatsApp ungena kuwena WhatsApp umuntu mefuna ukuthuka ngene WhatsApp asho noma yini ofuna ukuqalekisa ngene aqalekise ne-phone number yakho. Anybody can obtain your phone number, anybody can have access to you. Abanye bayacomplaina manje hey laphana ngangiqhashazwa laphana was not used because you were not protected. Another thing that I want to say, don't start projects before sitting down and calculating and strategizing. You know, I can't expect myself to be like God's army, because God's army has got years of experience, years of relationships, years of resources, human resource, equipment, investments, platforms of influence, circles of influence, fame, publicity, and all different kinds of support and sponsorship. So that is why I can't always be preaching. I can't always be invited everywhere by everybody or anybody. Because I am not as well equipped as all those other people. Perhaps I can always be equipped to do these online platform thingies, but there's also something else. I need to go and make sure that I am checked in all the 5 stars, financially, psychologically, emotionally, physically, spiritually, academically. Because it is an academic environment. I need to be someone, at least I need to have a PhD. So I need to study, so that my work would become more and more and more effective and more effective, impactful and meaningful. But I start somewhere. I build the foundation. I sit down. I cultivate resources. I cultivate my mind with proper information, with proper application, with wisdom, knowledge. I surround myself with people who have done it over and over again, who will tell you that if you continue with this thing like this, you're not going to get any far. So you start doing this now. Sit down with elderly people who will tell you what should be done for your work to be long term. You know, in fact, it brings legitimacy and more authenticity and more respectability and repute, good reputation, to associate with people who are well experienced, who are well versed, who are well decorated in that area of expertise that you want to go to be. That is why the first question that I ask every child that I meet is, what do you want to be? What are you all about? Why are you alive? Why are you studying? Why are you at school? What do you want to achieve? That is the first point. Before I ask them about Jesus' faith and everything, before I ask them about life, parents, and what do you want to be? What is it that you saw and said, I like this? You know, I like that spaceship going to outer space. How did they make it? Because it begins there. I like this Bill Gates guy. I like to be like him. How did he become? I like this Warren Buffett. I like this PLO Lumumba. I like Lupita Nyong'o. How did she get there? I like to be like Nelson Mandela. How did he do it? I like to be like something that has never been before in this specific area of expertise. I like to be someone who invents the remedy. Other people are saying we already have the cure for HIV and AIDS. Well, we need children to dream, to bring about cures, cure for cancer, cure for all these things that are frustrating people now. You need to have a dream. So that is why we're talking about Joseph. You know, this guy Joseph, he just came with the most crazy dream for the people that he was living with. If a child in Egypt had that dream, it was not going to be a problem. But for him, where he was, it was a problem. It was a problem even to his father, who happened to send him to his brothers one day. That is why he was guilty all his life, because he was like, I'm the one who sent him there out of anger. I'm the one who sent him there, knowing very well that his brothers don't like him. I sent him there. So these are the things that we need to talk about, have conversations about, and I believe that there is no need for you. Una 13 years, una 20 years, una 30 years. Uphizi uyabhema, uphizi wenza ucansi. Awushadile, awunamali. Usanohambo lutho kufuneka ulihambe. Why? Uyaphuza, unesithembu. Unenkinga, ziphi inkinga? Onazo wena. Hayi ugovernment is, ugovernment wena no government uhlangana pho wena no government. Ugovernment akasinikeza amathuba wena una 28. Unenyawo zowu2 nezandla zowu2 nengqondo namehlo, unolimi. Ubhizi ukhuluma ndaba ka ugogo umuntu ekufuna ukukhuluma ndaba ka government. Nomalume wakho omdala. Ogogo nomkhulu ekufuneka ba complain o government. Hayi wena. Government. Ubani ovala amathuba for wena? Ubani ovala i-library? Ubani ovale isikolo? Ubani ovala ama-express? Uyazi khona abantu who are filthy rich, who are filthy connected, who are filthy acknowledgeable. Abahleli nje lapha bathi yazi ngiyafisa ukuthi kube khona umfana ozozala kumina noma intombazane ezozala kumina ithi angiyifundise ukuthi ibe njengami. Ahleli nje. Kodwa driver nje imoto ethi yazi ngidrivelile nje lokushini. Ngifuna nje oyedwa ongekaza libele encoma imoto yami thi inhle nozo. Ozoza kumina nje athi yazi ngiyafisa ungisize ukuthi ngibe njengawe. Awuyizame leyo nto. Uqhamuke nje umuntu driver lapha ngakini imoto enhle uze kuyena uthi ngicela ungisize ngifuna ukuba njengawe. Ubona ukuthi uzo-reacta thini? Cha nje uyotesta lento engisho, uyoyitesta. And uma usenza leyo nto ke uwazi ukuthi abantu abafana emhlabeni kuneyinhlobo zabantu. So masuyenzile leyo nto, try to find abantu abadala who will be aware of ukuthi wena kunomuntu ozile la elokushini wahamba wakuyena wathi ucela ukuthi akufundise ngempilo. So kube khona abantu abaningi abaziyo ngalokho. Fana noma usesontweni uyohlala kamfundisi, uyohlala nomfundisi, noma ukephi akube khona abantu abadala abaziyo. Umuntu ozungezwe abantu abadala akaqhaphazeki. Ibuyela kuleyo nto ke lengisho ekuqaleni ukuthi what is not protected will always be abused. Ngoba it's not protected. Nasesikoleni partnerisha nothisha. Bazalwane khohlwani lento yamalema uZuma uStein uZeni uTrump ipolitiki load shedding iNCDAFF khohlwa le nto into zabantu abadala lezo namakhehle. If you like politics, go and study politics, understand it, become a commentator lapho labantu abakhokhelwayo ukuthi ba comment. If you like politics, go hamba uncwada ufunde. Isikhala sakhe education, I'm telling you. And bonke abantu abafundile uyababona ukuthi they are living a better life. Noma ebela labo mabefika phakathi kwabo bethe kunzima. Usuke ekhuluma language ekhulunywa abantu kodwa kahle kahle akukho nzima, uyaphila nje. Uphila kahle. Impilo iyaphambili. Usemathubeni ukuthi aphumelele. Uyakwazi ukucompete for ama opportunities, better opportunities. Uyakwazi ukucompete, uyazi compete kanjani. Akahleli ethi ngiboshwe izandla. Ngilindele ukuthi imisebenzi iyovela ngakephi ngilindile. Why? So izona zonke lezi zinto kufuna sikhulume ngazo. Igama lami Sikhumbuzo Akashezi. You are in high school, you are out of high school, you are hustling, you are struggling in life, you want to learn, you're still trying to find yourself. I'm the person for you. Khuluma nawe. I-potential inkulu la kuwena. ungakwazi ukwenza into yazi into ekushaya yini labantu ohlala nabo nabantu abarongi nabantu abalow ngalendlela yokuthi noma becabanga bacabanga low nempilo yabo ilo abayiboni nje beba yinawe bayakuthelela ngoba phela i-association umathelelana awukwazi ukuhlala nabantu abanamabhillion ungabi nayo wena nano 100,000 million ungabi nano 100 million uhle nama-billionaires uzohlangana kanjani nabo emhlanganweni yabo mabethi kusasa siyahlangana eDubai ngo-10 ufika kanjani wena lapho mabethi kusasa siya kwi-auction dayisa imoto the cheapest is 2 billion bekhuluma kanjani leyo language nabo mabethi kusasa siyobeka imvuselelo ePapua New Guinea ngo-10 ekuseni izolasta 3 days so siyahamba kusasa ukukhulunywa ku-TikTok nje kwi-group noma kukhulunywa ku-Facebook kwi-group eqalwe ekuseni wathi hayi siyahamba ekusasa bafethu but okay sure sohlangana khona noma wathi hayi siye Australia kusasa siyobona ama-museums nje wena uzokwazi kanjani ukukhopha so uyabothi uyaphoceleka ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthi undize la bendiza khona ingakho inkukhu zingabe abangani neyinkosi ya ziyabona nje kuzothi kuzovuka kusasa nje la kuthiwa siyakamhlaba uyalingana ngiyofika nini mina akulula ukhozi ukuthi liye kamhlaba uyalingana noma liyindizele liye olundi noma luyindizele liyondini noma luyindizele liye nje kusasa nje hayi kusasa siyandiza ke bafethu se-Cape Town kusasa ngo-6 sohlangana khona okay yazi nomuzi bafethu yazi 2 million banofuna uthenge bafethu yazi kunabantu lapha abadinga imizi asambe siyobakhela imizi umuntu oyedwa nalibhakede umuntu oyedwa 15 million umuntu oyedwa 50 million nje umuntu oyedwa bafethu sambe siyokwakha imizi lapha 50 million mhlawumbe ke mu gracious ke nga-eda noma 20 million nyana phe kwalo 50 million mhlawumbe salise kubo 100 million nje kuxoxwa nje kuphuzwa itiye online kuhlangene office thizeni kuyaxoxwa nje online umunye uyasho ukuthi yazi ngihlalele la eSouth Africa umuntu yazi ngihlalele la eCanada umuntu ngihlalele la eSweden umuntu yazi hayi bafethu yazi ngipholele la maShayina la Taiwan omunye uthi ngihlalele eJapan bakwi-meeting nje online baxoxa nje in general uyabona ukuthi kuyaphilwa la ngaphandle wena uhleli omunye uthi am hiking la Mount Everest ngithe ake ngikhulume nje nabangani bami circle of friends kuyaxoxa shakers movers ipho uhleli nabantu abakhuluma bathini labantu ohlala nabo yabona mhlawumbe niyokhuluma ngogwayi manje ugwayi uzobiza I mean una 15 na 16 khuluma nabagwayi udilane nama-issues akho udilane nama-struggles akho usithola nini isikhathi like sokuyikhulisa nokuyithuthukisa ubani othe awukwazi wena ukuya kubantu well successful uye kubona ukuthi ubacela bakusiza ufuna uba successful nabo njengabo uye nabo no grade 10 wakho no grade 6 wakho no grade 12 wakho matric wakho uye nabo ne-CV yakho nathi CV yami qala nje ningisize yazi ngifuna ukuphumelela ngoba izinto azizi kuwena kulesikhathi esinje yabo sa-expect ukuthi izinto izosuka la zikhona zize kuwena you might as well take ibhodlela le-black label uyiphuzele ibhodlela kodwa ufuna uba udokotela wena ufuna kahle wena ubambe nayo ithothi ekhasa ubambe nayo ikhasela usamba usithengela ikhasela lapha siphuze akutshelwa lokho abantu abadala bayikho enye into abayaziyo labo hlala nabo une-potential yokwenza izinto ey'nkulu kodwa uhleli nabantu aba-wrong so shintsha i-circle of friends hayi ngifuna ukuphumelela bafethu ngifuna ukuphuma kahle wena nokuqala lesihlanu namhlanje sami soyiphuzela abe ngophuza utshwala njengoba kwenziwa nje eSouth Africa bazalwana ngathi khona umuntu othi let's make South Africa drunken nation uyabona nje naseparliament ungibone ekhuluma uyishayile ibhabhalazi ubona nje uma ubeka ithemba lakho kubantu uNkulunkulu njengoba esho ukuthi wabeka ithemba lakho umuntu uyojika ngelinye ilanga ajike nivumelene kuJanuary ajike ngoJune ajike nivumelene ngoJanuary ngoJune ajika athi abona abangcono kunawe senivumelene nenza izinto ezipermanent navumelana nenza into eyipermanent. NgoJune manje siyashintsha. Shintsha uxula abawuxaba, ashintshe udludlu abawudladla, ashintshe manje. Angiyazi leyo nto uba ukhulume nobani kubhalwe phi lokho. Ish usale wedwa eBria, sale eBria, kushiye eBria. Sale eBria. Kushiye. Bafike abantu abadala bethi awasikutshena ingxenye yempilo awusakhaliswa yileyo nto. Leyo nto le ingxenye yempilo. Sakhaliswa ukuthi khona abantu abakubetray empilweni. Ingxenye yempilo le. Izonke lezi zinto zenzeka kumuntu owazi ukuthi uyapi. Wena uyapi? Athina ama plans akho iziphi izinto ofuna ukuyi-achieve. Iziphi izinto ofuna ukuzenza. So that is what we are talking about bazalwane. Sisakule cold front enkulu. Bazalwane kubanda ukufa. Kuyabanda. So usaphuza ikhofi lakho netiye lakho ekhaya. Please consider these things, think about them. Ukuthi wena ufuna ukwenzani. As I'm trying to drill this thing into many people. Ufuna ukwenzani impilo yakho, then shut everything out and approach that. It's as easy as that. We have bazalwane kuthiwa impilo is just a straight line. Straight line. Okwakho nje ukuthi ungasuki. Yazi into ekwenza ukuthi ungafinyeleli la uya khona ukuthi u-distracted. It's a straight line. It's just a walk in the park. But remember that this is a park. There are many things in the park. It's a walk in the park, straight line, but there are many things that are here. Oh, it's a park. It's a park, baby. God bless you. Skhumbuzo Shezi. I'll meet you on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube. Give Skhumbuzo Shezi there. Email address yami is skhumbuzo@gmail.com. Send me your email. Number yami yocingo is 065 1954 135. Okay. God bless you.